flew my first 7-8 years in the CH-46, and then the rest of the time was in V-22s. So early adopter of the technology. I got to see how it disrupted things in a very positive way, and how everybody responded to it. Whoa, this new capability we've got here. Let's figure out how we're going to use this, and really have optimized it over time. Once I got around the aircraft and around the men and women who worked on the aircraft or designed the aircraft, managed the program for the aircraft, I really got a feel for what I was getting into. It was fascinating. And like I say, I've flown it all around the planet. You know, I flew it in Iraq, I flew it in Afghanistan, off the boat all over the place. I flew it in crisis response out of Morón, Spain, all around Africa. I've flown that aircraft for 9 hours at a time. Okay, so she's a reliable aircraft.